out of the beach, doesn't it? Because it's coming from Port Canaveral. Here, look towards me. I'm gonna get a screenshot of you. It's a very hazy day today, so you can't see that well. But yeah, it's, yeah, coming in. Coming in from or coming out of Port Canaveral, Florida. Just beyond that is Cape Canaveral. So this would be a great spot for watching shuttle launches or SpaceX rocket launches.
This right here, some genius made a snowman.
Let me come over behind you because of the, yeah.
And it looks like it has rainbow.
Yeah.
Literally, it's just
yeah, well, I don't know. I think the dreadlock snowman to me is less impressive than seeing a giant cruise ship come out from the beach.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That is Disney. Well, here you have your.
Very shallow. I don't think it would work with the camera.
Oh no, it won't work with the camera. But maybe you can use your to look on the front of the boat. You can use your binoculars to see which Disney ship it is. The name of the ship. It's definitely a Disney cruise line. But on the front, it should say the name of it, like the Disney Magic, or. I hope you guys can hear because we have a lot of wind noise.
There's a lot of wind. There's a gold thing, like two prongs and
yeah, that's all Disney ships are painted like that. Yeah, here on the beach, that'd be fun. Be a nice beach to have a dune buggy on. Anyway, probably heading out to the Bahamas. I think probably all Disney cruises come out of Port Canaveral to the Bahamas, I believe.
I'm gonna get a selfie with this guy.
Oh, okay.
Here, let me try that. Here, I'll step back and try to take a video of me trying to not get sand all over me and taking this selfie.
Okay. And the sun is going down right now behind some of the beach houses here. The audio is not too bad. And there she blows. Not really, not those seas.
Go over to the side of the.
I think it'll be a lot calmer and plow on.
Go over to the side of the cruise ship and then throw a ladder on it. Go in for free.
Anyway, off she blows.